Today we are going to be doing class first, chapter 5. How many? What how many? This is part 2. I say that you watch part 1. The link is in the description. And oh yeah, this is our worksheet. Now let's get started. Now, instead of Anu's turn, it is now Golu's turn. As we can see, Golu rolls the two dice together and the other children have to find the total numbers of dots on both dice. It's just like the Anu example. Just instead of fingers, it is dice. Now, as we can see, there is 3 on this side and 1 on this side. And then I think one of these children say that 3 and 1 equals to 4. I don't know who said it. And it is correct. Now let's roll this dice and find out the total numbers. Now here's 4. There's another 4. So what that is? 8. Because if we add 4 to 4, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. So we have to write 8. With that, 8. Now the next one is 6 and 1. What is that? Combine 7. Because if you add 1 to 6, it becomes 7. Now we have to write 7. Now, at this last one, there is 5 and 2. 5 plus 2, 7. The same answer. As you can see, if we add 2 to 5, I mean 1, 2. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning that's our answer. 7. That 7. Now let's go down. Oh, it's not the last. Now, as you can see, there is 6 and 3. Mush that up. 9. Because if you add 3 to 6, it becomes 1, 2, 3. And as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to write 9. 9. Right. Now the next one is 5. 1 and 5. Merge that up, you get 6. Because if you add 1 to 5, 1 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So meaning we have to write 6. Now let's go down. Okay. There's Anu's grandmother. Anu's grandmother joins the children and play. She draws 10 beads on a string of paper and 2 colored beads. She asks one of the child to color 5 more beads. Find out the total number of colored beads. Now, as you can see, there's this. 2 plus 5 more is equal to 7. I don't know what's here. 6. We have more. Okay, it's 7. Now, as you can see, let us color. Now, I'm going to not color it red because you will get confused between what I wrote and what they wrote. So, for this, I'm going to write with green. Yeah. Now, we have to do 4 plus 3. Now, we have to add 3 more green color beads. You have to just draw 1, then 2, then 3. There, that's our answer. Now the next one is 1 plus 5. Now you have to make 5 more green beads. Oh, you have to write, meaning that 4 plus 3 is 7. Because if you add 3 to 4, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning that's our answer. 7. It's going to take a long time for switching, so I'm going to edit here for easy. Now you have to add 1 plus 5, meaning we have to add 5 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, lastly 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Because if you add 1 to 5, that becomes 6. Meaning that's our answer. 6. Now, as you can see, we have to add 2 to 7. Now we're going to make 2 green beads. 1, 2. There. Meaning 7 plus 2, 9. Because if you add 2, 1, 2, and okay, this is taking too long. Which I think let's use the addition. Firstly, whenever a number gets in two hands, so we are going to only count these many, not these, because we know this is 5 and then 5 and then plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Meaning we are going to write 9. Why is this Christmas colors looking? Oh, wow, there's more. Now we are going to make 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Because if you add 3 to it, 1, 2, 3, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And oh yeah, coloring. So 1, 2, 3. See, now that became 9. Second time. Now we are going to add 2 plus 8. Now we're going to make 8 beads. 1, no, wrong color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. 2 plus 8. That becomes 10. Because if you add 2 to 8, 1, 2, then that becomes 10. 5 plus 5, 10. That's our answer. Now we are going to add 3 plus 2. And I have something. How about you clap every time I make a green circle? Okay? No? I think you fall for it. Now, 1, 2. Now, meaning that altogether these claps 1, 2, 3, red, 4, 5. Meaning that becomes 5. Wow, this method is very fun. Let's try more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. Meaning how many? That's 9. 9 came 3 times. Lastly, there is 0 plus 9. So I will not clap at all. Now you do it all. Fall for it every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got nothing. We absolutely got nothing. Now, as we can see, we can do this. 9. Now, as you can see, we can go down. See, children are playing outside, meaning this child has made 6 and 2 more. Wait, I have to do something if you remember. Snap. Yes, I do snaps. Wow. Now, as you can see, 6 plus 2 makes 8, meaning that I can make circles for you to example. So, firstly, I'm making these weird circles. Not the most perfect. So now I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make 6 red balls as we saw. And then I'm going to make some green balls as our example. Meaning that we are going to make 1, 2, 2 green balls. Let us remember. Now, as we can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum is 8. You did it right. Now, let us hop and find the sum. Now, as you can see, there's 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Now we are going to hop like they do in hopscotch. Ha ha. Wait, if there's 15, then where is 3 to 1? Now, if we plus 7 and 2, 1, 2, that's 9. You have to do this every day. Now I'm going to do it with a pen. Now, if you hop 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. There. We reached to 10. And 10, that's the answer, 10. The next one is 3 and 5. Meaning that we're going to hop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait, not 6. There, 5. And we don't know numbers. So I'm going to write it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It landed on 8, meaning that's our answer. Next one is 4. 4. And there's no fake numbers. Let's write out 4. And then let's complete this entire thing, right? And then 5, 6, and then 7, then 8, then 9. I'm going to hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning we got 8 as our answer. Why is it 8? Now here's the filled numbers. Not. Let me fill out of them. Yeah, this 3, 4, 5. You also do this 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then this 3, and then 4. Now we are going to write more 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our answer. Not answer. Now we are going to hop 1, meaning that's 6. That's our answer. Then we are going to do 7 and then 1, 2, then 3. Ooh, we reached to 10. That's our answer. Now we can do this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Meaning we landed on 9. That's our answer. No, that's the video ends. I'm giving you this as homework. I hope you like this video. And if you want to go to homework, link. Sure. Now, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like to this video for more worksheet solutions like this. If I'm going to get 200 views on this video, I'm going to make part 3. So yeah, this is me going bye bye.